Thinking about selling your home this winter? Don't let the cold weather catch you off guard. Hi, I'm Scott Hoffman with the Hoffman Realty Group at Keller Williams Preferred, and today I'm going to share with you 3 tips to help your home stand out to buyers. Tip number 1, clean your gutters. Clogged gutters can cause water to pool and freeze, leading to potential damage. A quick cleaning can prevent problems and show buyers your home is well cared for. Tip number 2, check your HVAC system. Make sure your heating system is working efficiently and replace filters if needed. Buyers will really appreciate a warm, cozy home during showings, and it's a great selling point to highlight a well-maintained system. Tip number 3, keep your walkways clear of ice and snow. A safe, accessible path not only creates a good first impression, but also ensures buyers can explore your home without worry. A little winter maintenance goes a long way in making your home shine to potential buyers. Need more great tips to prepare your home for the market? Give me a call at 919-740-0379 or check us out at thehoffmanrealtygroup.com. I'm here to help your sales be smooth and successful even in the winter months. Happy holidays.